Hi everyone, this is the 165th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have an interesting problem from the concept of functions. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, if 3, 4 is a point on the graph of f of x, which of the following points lies on the graph of g of x, which is equal to f of x minus 3 plus 2. So here g of x is nothing but a transformation of f of x, and we have to find out which of the following points would lie on the graph of g of x, right? So what is the first piece of information that has been provided? Well, that is actually the fact that a point 3, 4 is on the graph of f of x. So then if that is the case, then f of 3 is equal to 4. That's a very important piece of information. So let's capture that. So you can say f of 3 is equal to 4. That's very important, and we're going to need that to solve this problem. When x equals 3, we have f of x equals 4. That means f of 3 equals 4, right? And now let's try each of the options one by one. So if we try the first option, which is 4, 2, so if x equals 4, so then g of 4 is equal to f of 4 minus 3 plus 2, which is equal to f of 1 plus 2. But do we know the value of f of 1? We don't. So we cannot say for sure whether this point would lie on the graph of g of x, right? Okay, let's try the next option, 5, 2. So if x is equal to 5, then g of 5 would be equal to f of 5 minus 3 plus 2. That means f of 2 plus 2. And again, we don't know the value of f of 2. What we know is the value of f of 3. We really don't know the value of f of 2. So again, we cannot say for sure whether 5, 2 would lie on the graph of g of x. Okay, let's try the third option, which is 6, 2. So if we evaluate g of 6, that is equal to f of 6 minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to f of 3 plus 2. And now we see that we know the value of f of 3, which is equal to 4. So this is equal to 4 plus 2, and that is equal to 6. So we are saying that when x equals 6, g of x would be 6. So 6, 6 would be a point on the graph of g of x. And do we have an option 6, 6? Yes, we do. And that is option E. So option E would be the correct option. I hope it made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.